Welcome back. I wanted to show you one little diagram to finalize this point. When a function is called, an environment is created for the new scope that it enters, right? This little world that it enters. That environment has a field that has its own variable environment, but also another place that points to the outer scope. And then that outer scope points to its outer scope until it hits the global scope. And the JavaScript spec actually has this internally, where it's bracket, bracket, or square brackets, scope, or scopes. So let's test out this idea. Now, in Google Chrome developer browser, you can actually access this property. If I create a function here, let's just call it A. If I go into the window object now and look for A, let's scroll down. There it is. If I click over here, I have a few things, but if I go down, look at that. I have something called scopes. And inside of this scopes, we have type global. Why? Well, because the scope of function A, that scope is global. So this is pointing to the outer parent. So we have our variable environments in function A, and as soon as we can't find what we're looking for, we're going to look inside of scopes to our outer environment, which in this case is the global type, which is the window object. Very, very cool. All right, it's time to do a fun little exercise.